A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Careful who you listen to when you're in the middle of the storm. But when the storm a batter you, listen to God's voice and Him will give you peace in the middle of the storm. And not only that, Him will also give a word for the other people them we're in the storm with you. Today, we're going to read from the book when named Acts, chapter 27, from verse 1 to verse 26. After they make up their minds that we should have sailed go Italy, them turn Paul and some other prisoner over to Julius, one head for 100 soldier. We go on one ship where did I come from Adramyttium. The ship did plan for tap at some different place on the Asia Sea coast. So we sail out, and Aristarchus from Macedonia, we're in a Thessalonica, go with we. The next day, we tap a Sidon. Julius did kind to Paul and allow him to go look for him friend them, so them could have give him the sit them when he need. After that, we sail out and stay upon the safe side of Cyprus, because the breeze did too strong for we. After we sail past Cilicia and Pamphylia, we tap a Myra in Alicia. When we tap a Myra, the head for 100 soldiers see one ship from Alexandria, we did a go to Italy. So him put upon it. The breeze did so strong that for a couple of days, we did have to sail slow. So we barely managed to reach near Nidos town. Cause the breeze did still so strong, we couldn't go no further. We did have to sail upon the safe side of Crete near Salmone. We go and sail upon the safe side of Crete and barely managed to reach one place named Fair Havens near Lasea town. Enough day did pass, and it never safe for them sail no more, because the special day when people go forget them sin pardon did pass. So Paul warned them, say, man, oh, me see it. If we go and sail, it now go turn out good for we. The ship and everything we are carry are going to mash up, and enough people are going dead. But instead of listen to Paul, the head for 100 soldier listen what the captain and the man we own the ship say. Cause where the ship did they never safe to spend the winter. Most of who did they on the ship make up their minds say they not handy. So the captain sail out. Them did a look say, somehow them would have reached Phoenix near Crete, where the breeze did a blow from, and spend the winter there. When one breeze, when never so strong, start blow from the south, them think that them could have sail out like how them did plan. So them drop the ship anchor and sail out. But them keep near Crete shore. Not too long after that, one powerful storm named the Northeaster blow down cross Crete. The ship get catch up in the storm and couldn't manage it. So we give up and make the storm blow away where it want we go. We sail past one little island named Cada, where we barely manage to control a little boat for the ship and keep it safe. After they lift up the little boat, put on the ship, them use rope under the ship to tie it up. Them do that because them did afraid the ship might have got jam in at the sand hill near Libya, where the water never deep. Then drop anchor and make the breeze go and blow the ship. The next day, the way the storm did a batter the ship so bad, them start fling some of the sitting them where they dip on the ship in at the sea. And on the third day, them same one take up some of the sitting them, we are part of the ship and fling them in at the sea. After we couldn't see no sun or star for a long, long time, and the storm keep on a batter we did sure say we done for. Nothing couldn't save we. No for the man them never feel for nothing for eat. So Paul turn up amongst them and said to them, say, Uno shoulda did listen to me, man. When me did tell Uno, say we never did feel left out a Crete. Cause if Uno did listen, we never would have suffered so and lose so much. But listen to me now. Take heart, cause none of we not got dead. But the whole ship are gonna mash up. Me know that cause last night, the God where me belong to and where me serve send one angel to me. And him said to me, say, no afraid, Paul. You have to go turn up in front of Caesar. And God so good, even though people not deserve it. Him not gonna make none of the man them will sail with you dead. So, una take heart, man, cause me trust in a God. And me sure, so everything I got turn out same like how him tell me, say it would have go. But the ship I go crash Patwa Island. A God WOD this. Thank God. And if you know one year, what go up next? No miss tomorrow. So subscribe to the channel. Click this, click the button, the subscription button. No, it is the notification bell. Click the notification bell to make sure say uno no miss none of what I go on right here. So yeah, uno walk good and one love.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.